What's the meaning of corporate? Corporate. Corporate.
Corporate. Corporate. Corporate refers to anything related to a corporation or business entity. It is an adjective often used in business contexts, such as corporate culture, corporate governance, or corporate social responsibility. The term may also refer to a company's size or level of influence, such as a corporate giant or corporate empire. Generally, corporate implies the structure, policies, and practices of a formal organization, as opposed to something that is individual or informal. It is a significant term in understanding the modern business world and its impact on society.